Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Avital Boruchovsky and Boris Savchenko. This is a game from the 13th European Individual Championship played in 2012. Avital Boruchovsky had white pieces and he started with e4. Boris Savchenko played knight to f6, the Alekhine defense. e5 attacking the knight, knight to d5, d4, d6, the standard move. Knight to f3, d takes on e5, bishop to g4, pinning the knight is the most played move. d takes on e5, knight takes on e5, knight to d7, challenging the knight on e5. White to move. How would you continue? Perhaps knight to f3 comes to mind, or maybe bishop to c4. Avital Boruchovsky decided to go for a king hunt. Knight takes on f7, sacrificing the knight in order to draw the black king out in the open. King takes on f7, queen to h5 check, king to e6, defending the knight but exposing the king. What else? Well, g6 is not better because then queen takes on d5 with check. So king to e6, c4, knight from 5 to f6, d5 check, king to d6, queen to f7, knight to e5, attacking the queen. What else? If c5 is played, then queen to e6 check, and after king to c7, then bishop to f4 check is deadly, because after knight to e5, bishop takes on e5, winning the game. Knight to e5, attacking the queen, bishop to f4, pinning the knight, c5 now, knight to c3, black to move. If something like queen to e8, hoping to exchange queens, the knight to b5 check, and after king to d7, queen to e6 check, and after king to d8, queen takes on e5, and white is winning. So, Savchenko played a6, preventing knight to b5. Bishop to d3, g6. Well, g5 was better, and after bishop to g3, bishop to h6. This is easy to say after the game. g6, b4, queen to c7. If c takes on b4, then c5, and after king takes on c5, bishop takes on e5, and after pawn takes knight, rook to c1. This is also good for white. Back to our game. Queen to c7, pawn takes pawn check, king takes on c5. If queen takes on c5, then probably castling. But with the king takes on c5, black is threatening knight takes queen. What is the best square for the queen? Is bishop takes on e5 good? Then queen takes on e5. And black is doing well. So, Boruchovsky played knight to a4 check, king to d4. If king goes to d6, then c5 check, and after king to d7, queen to e6 check, king to e8, queen takes on e5, and white is winning. Back to our game. King to d4 was played. White to move. How would you continue now? Boruchovsky castled queen's side. This is an amazing move, threatening some kind of discover check. Sacrificing the queen. What a move. Black to move. After thinking long and hard, Savchenko played bishop to h6. Of course he considered knight takes queen. Let's see what happens if knight takes queen. If knight takes queen, then bishop takes on c7, and black king would not survive. So we have bishop to h6, Bishop takes bishop. Should black take the queen now or not? Would you? Knight takes on d3 check was played. If knight takes on f7, then one line goes like this. Rook from h to e1. Black is lost. You can try to find the best defense and let us know how did you go. If knight takes on h6, this is just simple variation. Bishop to f1 checkmate. Back to our game. Knight takes on d3 check was played. How would you continue now? If king goes to b1, then bishop to f5, and black is in the game. So, Boruchovsky played rook takes on d3 check. King takes on d3, coming nose to nose with the white king. Rook to d1 check. King to e2. Well, this is a funny thing. Black king is now somewhat safe from the attack of the white pieces. How should white continue? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Boruchovsky played the best move. d6. Attacking the queen. Queen to d7. If e takes on d6, then the queen takes queen. Queen to d7. Knight to c3 check. King takes on f2. Knight to e4 check. King takes on g2. Black king has lots of blood on his hands, doesn't he? Rook to d2 check. King to f3. White to move. How would you continue now? Knight takes knight on f6. Rook to f2 check was played. King takes knight. Rook takes on f6. Black to move. e6 was played. If something like rook to b8, then queen to d5 checkmate. So e6 is preventing queen to d5 check. Rook to f4 check. King to d3. Rook to f3 check. King to d4. White played a move and black resigned. And the move is bishop to e3. Black resigned. One line goes like this. King takes on c4. Queen to f4 check. King to b5. Queen to e5 check. King to b4. Rook to f4 check. King to a3. And there is checkmate in one. Queen to b2. Checkmate. Amazing. What a picture. Black king is checkmated on a3. And 3 of the black pieces never moved. Do you like the king hunt games? If you do, there is a good news. The King Hunt DVD is coming to city near you very, very soon. And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.